Welcome. This is the Intergalactic Bureau of HyperStrategic Fitness Design, Fitness, Blueprint, the visual representation of the first part of IBHFD's official flight plan, which states, HyperStrategically educate, inspire, and instruct its clients in order to help them develop a sustainable, personal fitness practice featuring multi-modal training experiences that are safe, enjoyable, and comprehensively energizing. The Fitness Blueprint is a chronological, step-by-step guide that lets you know exactly what training experiences you can expect to participate in as you transition from a new client fitness practice toward the ultimate goal of creating a personal fitness practice. The Fitness Blueprint consists of 9 phases, each designed to help you actively manifest your fitness future and to allow you to comfortably and confidently graduate to the next phase. The time spent in each phase is completely dependent on your fitness past and fitness present, in addition to any pre-existing physical conditions that may inherently limit your ability to participate in certain kinds of training experiences. Let's launch into and learn more about each of the 9 phases. Technically, this is phase 0. Before you begin participating in the training experiences offered by IBHFD, you must participate in 3 oral, 1 written, and 1 physical, personal fitness assessments, or PFAs. The fitness designer will then use the data from the 5 PFAs to comprehensively understand your fitness experience level, past and present state of condition, your goals, as well as hyper-strategically inform the design of your monthly program, if you are a monthly program investor. Phase 1. During Phase 1, each client will participate in 1 personal training experience, or PTE, per week. PTEs are designed to create a high-quality, one-on-one training experience in the context of a professional, equipment-rich, community gym environment. PTEs represent the private, tutoring sessions, the most intense and steep learning curve possible, and therefore, provide the least amount of personal freedom in exchange for the most amount of individualized instruction. All PTEs are 25 minutes in duration, engineered using the identical My Team structural framework, include complimentary use of wrist-worn, heart rate monitor, and all training equipment, and instant access to the mobile care kit. Phase 1 is also defined by how it allows and encourages the new client and the fitness instructor to become better personally acquainted, and, just as importantly, for the new client to flight test the hyper-strategic approach that IBHFD employs during all training experiences. This approach features the My Team structural framework and the intelligent guidelines of the IBHFD Safety First protocol. Each letter in the team, in My Team, stands for what we believe are the 4 pillars of fitness: transformative, diet, experiential, cardio, active, resistance, and meditative, lengthening. When appropriately merged based on your needs and goals, they create a fitness program that is truly hyper-strategic, and training experiences that are safe, enjoyable, and comprehensively energizing. Phase 2. During Phase 2, each client will add 1 group training experience, or GTE, to Phase 1, for a total of 2 training experiences per week. GTEs are designed to create a high-quality, multi-participant training experience while taking full advantage of both the inspiring scenic beauty and functional characteristics of each hand-selected flight pad. GTEs represent the semi-private tutoring sessions, a less intense and less steep learning curve, and therefore, provide some personal freedom in exchange for less individualized instruction. All GTEs are 25 minutes in duration, engineered using the identical My Team structural framework, include complementary use of all training equipment, and instant access to the mobile care kit. Phase 2 also represents each client's initial step toward developing their sustainable, multi-modal, personal fitness practice. Phase 3. During Phase 3, each client will add 1 GTE to Phase 2 for a total of 3 training experiences per week. Phase 4. During Phase 4, each client will add 1 GTE or 1 PTE to Phase 3 for a total of 4 training experiences per week. Phase 5. During Phase 5, each client will add 1 free time training experience or FTE to Phase 4 for a total of 5 training experiences per week. FTEs are designed exclusively for you to be able to safely and engagingly create a personal fitness practice informed by, but independent of, your time spent participating in PTEs and GTEs. FTEs represent the purely personal application sessions, therefore, they are the self-directed use of your knowledge gained during PTEs and GTEs in order to empower you to take ownership of and manifest the long-term effectiveness and sustainability of your fitness. All FTEs are videos, approximately 15 minutes in duration, feature carefully crafted, visual and verbal coaching, layered on top of an engaging but non-distracting IBHFD exclusive audio soundtrack, are designed to be approximately 8 minutes in duration, and repeated twice, for a total of approximately 25 minutes, engineered using the identical My Team structural framework. Phase 5, therefore, represents each client's initial exploration into constructing the real bridge that will connect them to their personal fitness practice. Phase 6. During Phase 6, each client will add 1 FTE to, or add 1 FTE and 1 PTE to, and subtract 1 GTE from Phase 5 for a total of 6 training experiences per week. Phase 7. During Phase 7, each client will add 1 FTE to, and subtract 1 PTE from Phase 6 for a total of 6 training experiences per week. Phase 8. During Phase 8, each client will add 1 FTE to, and subtract 1 PTE and 1 GTE from Phase 7 for a total of 5 training experiences per week. Phase 8, therefore, represents the initial larger leap away from any PTEs on a weekly basis. The client no longer requires any one-on-one supervision. Phase 9. During Phase 9, each client will add 2 FTEs to Phase 8 for a total of 7 training experiences per week. Phase 9, therefore, represents the final stage in each client developing their sustainable personal fitness practice. They have been exposed to countless multimodal training experiences and have fully learned how to, and demonstrated that they are able to, participate in these training experiences so that each remains safe, enjoyable, and comprehensively energizing. Congratulations, you have achieved your goal. Your personal fitness practice is now a fully functioning, sustainable force in your life. Visit the IBHFD online store at mkt.com/IBHFD for complete info about training experiences, the pre-flight checklist, and the IBHFD official flight plan. Thank you for making time for your fitness.